Hey you, yeah, you. We're going to be talking about all the different types of unobtrusive measures. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. So what are unobtrusive measures? Let's break it down. Unobtrusive, by definition, means not attracting attention. Thus, unobtrusive are not noticeable and not aware. And measures are a way to achieve a specific purpose. So putting those two words together, an unobtrusive measure is a way of gaining information by studying groups that are not aware they are being studied. Unobtrusive measures are usually called non-reactive methods. This is because the group being studied does not react or know they are being studied. Since they do not know they are being studied, they cannot react. There are four main types of unobtrusive measures: physical trace analysis, simple observation, disguised observation, and simulation. Our first type is physical trace analysis. Physical trace analysis is the study of physical items that can be traced and linked from previous human interactions. These can include records, diaries, documents, and other things that contain information that can provide an historical overview of what is being studied. This is an unobtrusive measure because the person being studied does not know the researcher is studying these items and them. Our second type of unobtrusive measure is a simple observation. This is where the researcher examines the activity of the person or group in public. The researcher does their best to keep their studying of the person a secret, to not interfere and have the subject react differently. This is an unobtrusive measure because the person being studied does not know they are being watched by a researcher. Our third type of unobtrusive measure is a disguised observation. Similar to a simple observation, a researcher is watching the activity of the person or group in public. However, the researcher hides his or her true self and pretends to be part of the group being studied. The person or group does not know they are talking and interacting to someone that is actually studying them. Our fourth and final unobtrusive measure are simulations. Simulations are strategies that attempt to imitate or copy a social experience or process. They can range from very simple games or activities to highly difficult computer-generated processes. A common example of a simulation is playing house. Playing house is a traditional simulation game where children or adults take on the roles of a family, which typically consist of a father, a mother, a child, a baby, and a pet animal. Simulations are unobtrusive measures because the participants and people part of the activity or game do not know they and how they are acting are being watched and studied. Wow, we just went through all four types of unobtrusive measures: physical trace analysis, simple observation, disguised observation, and simulation. Now that you know all the different types of unobtrusive measures, you should be ready to answer any unobtrusive measure question. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Here are some funny GIFs.